How to open Lloyds bank account online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can open up Lloyds bank account online, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to open up your Lloyds bank account online, all you have to do is basically open up your browser, go to lloydsbank.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you go to lloydsbank.com, now remember that we're talking about creating a new account and not signing up for online banking account, right? So basically what we need to do is we just need to come to the website, scroll down, and under this our products page you'll see current accounts, because that's what we're going to create. We want to simply click the current accounts tab, and here you'll be able to see all of the accounts that maybe we want to create and apply for. So you can see classic, you can see club Lloyds, and you can see many other ones. Depending upon what you want, you can just go ahead and select those options here. Once you select those options, as you would be able to find it here, you'll be able to see ready to apply. So click on this ready to apply option. Now over here you can see if you want to apply and open a joint account or whatever else that you can prefer. Over here you can just go ahead and select those details, or you can just select apply online, or you can select login to apply, or whatever else you prefer. Once you're here on this page, on the next specific page you can see ready to all this, and just click the continue option. Once you click on open a classic account, it will take you to the page where you can simply fill in a form. So once you can fill in a form, basically you'll be able to go ahead and then you can use your mobile to continue, or you can simply just select this option that you can find here. Are you an existing bank customer? Of course we're going to select no. Is this going to be a main account? Yes. And how we share your personal information and so on, and then just click on continue. On the next page, of course, your first name, your last name, your gender, your legal details, your social security number, or whatever else that you can provide, you can simply provide to the bank account and upload them here. Click the continue option. After you've done that, you'll be able to successfully open up your Lloyds bank account online. This way you'll be able to open up your Lloyds bank account online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.